Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how you can make the most easiest and simple backdrop for any kind of puja in just rupees 300. For that, you need a hula hoop ring of rupees 100 and any kind of bright red or any color garlands which will cost you around 200 pair. In the last video, people were having queries regarding how to tie this wire in this hula hoop ring. So just take a piece of wire and just attach one end of the garland. You are here almost done with the main step. Second step is to wrap the garland around the hula hoop ring. As you can see in the video, just roughly wrap it and then pull it closer to each other. Take help of someone to hold the garland from one end. Now the third step is to take a long piece of wire, tie a knot and then wrap the wire around the circle, but remember it should not overlap with the garlands. After one round of wrapping, tie a knot to secure it very nicely for several days. With this, our beautiful circular garland is ready for any kind of backdrop or any kind of puja which you can perform at your home. Thank you so much for watching the video so patiently. Have a nice day. And for any queries, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.